Your presentation opening could make or break your talk because you only have a few seconds to convince them that they need to hear what you have to say because they've got tons of other things to do. So, only in a few seconds, you've got to grab their attention. So, in a moment, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. I am AmondaRose Igoe, speaking success strategist and creator of ShePowered Speaking. So imagine you're standing in front of an audience. Maybe there's 25, 30, 50, or even 1,000 people in the room. How are you going to grab their attention? You have to make sure that your opening says to them why they need to be there. Why they need to be there. Many people believe, oh, I'm going to start with my story. Wrong answer. That's not about them. That's about you. So you want to make sure that you have an opening hook that says to the audience, oh my gosh, I'm so glad I came to hear this speaker today. I'm so glad I came to this event or this program. I'm so glad I'm listening to this podcast today. You have to do that. And there's three things that you can do for your opening. You can ask a question, but it needs to be a short and concise question that is easy for the audience to answer. So it's not, let's just say from a speaking perspective, how many of you have tried speaking and hasn't gone the way that you wanted and you really want to change it? What? Way too long. Did you get lost? I got lost even saying it. Short and concise. Another thing you can do is give them a simple statistic, something that's easy for them to remember, easy for them to write down, and easy for you to say. That brings home why they need to be there. Another thing that was one of my personal favorites is create a visualization for them that paints a journey of why this information is going to change their life. It might change their finances, it might change their relationships, change their life in some way. By creating an audience visualization, you're taking them into an experience that they can see happening in their life. So those are three easy and powerful ways to open your next presentation. And if you love this tip, which I know you do, then go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel because I've got more tips that are going to fast track your speaking success.